So, Grandpa here brought Louie lean treats for Christmas. And guess who wants one? Yeah. Guess who wants one, huh? Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Ooh, what do you got? What do you got, Mama? Don't be jealous, Lulu. Don't be jealous. I'm gonna give you one of him. I'm gonna give him one of your treats, okay? I'm gonna give him one of your treats, okay? Don't be jealous. Brother, you can have this. Sit up. Oh, good brother. Good brother. Here you go. You can have it. Are you jealous? Are you jealous? Do you want a treat, Lulu? You want a treat? Do you want a treat, Lulu? You want a treat, Lulu? Now you guys sit up. Sit up. Sit. Come on. Come on. Jump. 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 Good boy. Yay, guys. We're all excited. We got treats. Yay. Brother's excited. Lulu's excited.